Jesus Christ. I've finally finished grinding. What the fuck is up, motherfuckers, and welcome back to another episode of the Pokemon HeartGold Randomized Wedlocke. Today, we with the gang. We got episode 5 coming for you here. I don't know why I'm saying it like this. Last episode, we got completely washed, and these are our only living Pokemon. We have Orville, our lonely natured Pidgeot with the ability Tangled Feet and the moves Gust, Quick Attack, Tackle, and Sand Attack. He is paired with Gabby, our gentle natured Gabite with the ability Sandveil, moves Dragon Rage, Tackle, Sand Attack, and Sandstorm. And then our egg finally hatched into Tyrogue, which we already knew what it was, but it did hatch, and I grinded it up to level 18. We got Martin, the bashful natured Tyrogue with the ability Steadfast and moves Rock Smash, Helping Hand, Fake Out, and Foresight. And this thing is fucking dog shit. It sucks so much. It's the worst Pokemon I've ever used in my entire life. It's so bad. It's so bad. It's like almost unusable. But now we got some Mons, and I think our team's pretty fucking set. So yeah, I think we're gonna be fine from here. You know, I think we're gonna start doing better. You know? Yeah, I don't want to be friends with you. Black Sludge. That would have been, Did I have a poison type? No. I didn't. Well, if I ever get a poison type, that'll be nice. For all my fucking poison type mons in the future. But, bitch. Watch this. We're about to blow this motherfucker to shreds. Be gone. Be fucking gone. Matt Cargo. Fuck it. You're getting bodied. You're getting fucked in the ass. There we go. And that's how you win. Dude, we came so close to losing last. If I didn't catch this damn Gabite, we would have lost. Because it was either catch the Gabite or fucking play with the damn Pidgeot. And I wanted the damn Gabite. I'm not gonna lie. I wanted the Gabite really bad. I wish I would have caught Rampardos. That would have been so cool. Ooh, new move. Fuck Tackle. Oh my god, fuck Tackle. Stanley, you're getting ass fucked. Come on, please. Thank you. Be gone. Mag, oh, you're getting fucked too. Everybody's getting fucked. Fucked. Oh, by the way, I forgot that we had TMs. I have Tail Glow, Mega Punch, and Rock Smash. Tail Glow. Orville's the only one that can learn it, but I'm not gonna teach it to him because he wouldn't make much use of it. We got Ice Punch. Bet. That's actually. Gabby can learn it, and Orville can learn it. I want to teach it, but at the same time, I don't. Just because it's so early on. I mean, I have no idea if these mons are gonna get fucked in, like, the next episode. Let's think about it. What would Orville need it for? Orville could use it for, pesky ground types. No. I'm not gonna teach it to Orville. Definitely not Orville. What would he use it, or what would it be nice for Gabite? Because we'd already have dragon type moves. So it wouldn't be much use against fucking dragons. Because we already have super effective moves. I mean, yeah, it would just be for fucking, like, ground types. So yeah, I don't think we're gonna teach it. I don't think so. Yeah, I don't think so. Alright. Oh, fuck this motherfucking ass. Get body. Get body. Clever. Fuck you. Yo, fuck this clef up. Thank you. Thank you for waking up. Marco, I'm about to get slaughtered. Trash. Trash. Trash, I'm on. Alright. What is this gonna be? Master Ball. Life Orb. Okay, can the game stop lagging? Let me get the bright powder, somebody. Let's get bright powder to Gabby. I mean, should I give the life orb to Orville? No. I just don't want to lose HP. I really don't. Not this early on. Maybe later in the game. When we have a lot more HP. And the 8th doesn't feel like as much. Okay. Go away, Beedrill. Fuck off, please. And thank you. Look at how cool this motherfucker looks behind me. All my mons right now look dope as shit behind me. Alright. Let's wash this motherfucker real quick. Ball toy, you're getting fucked. Be gone. I grinded in here and it fucking sucked ass. Where was Dragonite the entire time? Never once did I see a Dragonite. But there are Registeel and Regirock in here. Trump card. What the fuck? Okay. Die. 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 Kebia Berry. Alright. I want to use Martin. I want to get Martin to level 20. I want to get Martin to 20 really bad. Even though he has like terrible stats. I feel like I can, yeah. I'm gonna beat this Chimchar's ass. Get fucked. Alright. And I have potions this time. So. No. Okay. I can live. Just gonna take a very long time. Very, very long time. Why is he using Mirror Grip? Fucking idiot. You're stupid. You're actually dumb. And now I get to burn me. I'm fucking this burn me. If he runs me out of rock... If he would've ran... Motherfucker! Thank you. He almost ran me out of fucking... God damn. Alright. I'm out of PP. It's like... I'm already out of PP. God damn it, dude. Martin's actually trash. Executor. Suck my cock. Executor. And also, I really don't care that I'm overleveled. At all. I don't give a flying fuck. A flying fuck. Because honestly, I need a smoke ball. That we can run away from this pesky, scary Pokemon. Alright. Dude. Just stupid ass Vaporeon. Stupid. stupid ass Vaporeon. Got bodied. It got bodied. Okay, can we stop this, please? Oh my god, shit, fuck off. Please. Fuck off, dude, it's literally every 3 fucking steps. Thank you. Now let me get this damn Tyro a partner. No status moves. What's it gonna be? The hell no. Honestly, I don't even want to risk getting that shit. Fuck that Pokemon. No, bitch. I want to slaughter this thing. Fuck you. Hell no, I'm not catching that. I'm not gonna have a fucking chancey in a... Oh my god, dude. I actually can't get good encounters. Like, I'm sorry that I keep killing encounters. I know it's not smart. In a regular Nuzlocke, I would do it, but like this shit, where I have to fucking pair them, even all I need is 6 mons. If I would have 6 mons right now, I would be fine with fucking catching that damn Hapini. Because then it would just sit in my box. And, oh! No way! That's good as fuck. Diane. Diane. Is that how you spell it? That looks right. Close enough. Alright, we back. We back and shit. Alright, sorry about the pause, guys. Chestoberry. Fuck that. Fuck that. I was hoping that was gonna be a good item. Alright. Well, that's a clean pair now. Cause, Martin's about to level. Oh, what's holding? Another Miracle Seed. I have 3 now. That's so stupid. Why do I have 3 of them? Should I... Okay. Save. Fuck this. I hate when this happens. Game. Don't break. What's going on? Okay, what is... My game is glitching the fuck out. I'm sorry. Holy shit. Should I get my Slowpoke Well encounter? I kinda want to. I feel like it'd be worth it. Yeah, I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm doing them. I'm doing it. Fuck. Alright. What is our well encounter gonna be? Let's hope for something good. Let's hope for something good. Be good. Shit. Oh my god. No! No, 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 no! Oh my god. That was literally the fucking game. That was literally the fucking game, just click the damn move. I didn't even mean to click Dragon Rage. It fucking glitched out and clicked it itself. That's fucking bullshit. God damn it. Will I ever get a full party? The answer? Hell no. Hell no. Damn, dude. It's upsetting. I like how my player jumps out of the egg. Look at it. That shit makes me laugh. Battle me. Battle me so it's not fucking glitched anymore. Unknown, you're about to get fucked in the ass. Be gone. Drapion. Oh, be gone. I mean... Oh, hell no. I wish I had Headbutt. Kinda wish I had Headbutt right now. Diane. Relaxed. Vital Spirit. Alright. I can't remember. Attack, defense. I'm gonna look up how to evolve Tyrogue real quick. So I'm interested. Tyrogue. Evolutions. Tyrogue. Why can I not? Oh my god. Thank you. Okay, it evolves by... Okay, Hitmonlee is if its attack is higher. Hitmonchan is if its defense is higher. And Hitmontop is if they're equal. So it looks like we're about to get a fucking Hitmonchan. Which is honestly not that bad. I'm not mad about that. It gets all the punches. It gets all the punches, so it'll have good coverage, and that's pretty much what you fucking need in this game. Cause like 2 Mons really can't cover the entire game, or like every single typing. I mean, I really don't think there's. Alright, whatever. But I mean, I guess. Alright, I'm gonna end this episode off a little early. I think in between episodes, I'm gonna get Martin almost at 20 and then evolve him on screen, and then Diane up to level 20. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next episode. Goodbye.